Welcome, incredible souls. Have you ever felt stuck, working hard but barely getting by? Today's story is a powerful reminder that true change isn't just about effort, but about smart action. We'll dive into the journey of Rahim and Farid, two friends whose paths reveal a profound truth about money, dreams, and taking that crucial first step. Get ready to be inspired to transform your own life, because what you're about to hear could be the spark you need. Stay tuned for a lesson that transcends the ordinary and empowers the extraordinary within you.
Near a small town, in a humble village, lived Rahim. Everyone knew him, an honest, hard-working man, yet always struggling with meager earnings. From dawn till dusk, he drove his rickshaw. Heat, rain, cold, nothing deterred him. He earned around 300 to 400 taka daily. Returning home, he fed his wife and two young children. The remaining money barely covered their expenses.
Rahim had a friend named Farid. Farid also drove a rickshaw, but he was different. He used to say, "Brother, just hard work will feed you, but it won't change your life. You need to save money, and then you need to do something with that money." Rahim would laugh. "What will I do? What good is saving 500 taka? The interest in the bank is so low." Farid would retort, "Money sleeps when it's in the bank, but if you put it to work, it will work for you and grow." Years passed. Rahim saved 50 to 100 taka every day, keeping it in a small tin box. Farid also saved, but in a different way. First, he used his saved 2,000 taka to buy an old bicycle. With that bicycle, he started selling tea and biscuits in the mornings, alongside driving his rickshaw. On the first day, he incurred a loss. On the second day, a small profit. From the third day, the profit began to grow. Farid used that profit to add more items: tea, sugar, milk, biscuits. Slowly, his small tea business became a little table by the roadside. People started saying, "Farid's tea is good, and it's cheap too." Rahim watched and wondered, "My money is also growing, but what should I do?" The money in his box increased, but so did prices. The price of rice had gone up, and oil prices had increased. His children struggled to pay school fees. One day, Rahim's younger son fell ill. The doctor said he needed medicine and good food. Rahim opened his box. Nearly 15,000 taka was saved, but the cost of medicine and the doctor's fees almost depleted everything. Only 2,000 taka remained. That night, Rahim went to Farid, crying. Farid had by then expanded his small shop. He had built a small room and sold tea, singararas, and parathas. His income was now 1,500 to 2,000 taka a day. Rahim said, "Brother, you were right. I only saved, but the money didn't grow. Your money is working." Farid smiled and said, "It's not too late yet. Start with what you have. I will help." The next day, Rahim used his remaining money and some borrowed funds to buy a small cycle van. He started selling fruits. In the mornings, he bought bananas, apples, and guavas from the market and sold them on the street. At first, it was tough. Fruits would spoil, but he learned what to buy when and how to keep them fresh. Slowly, his customers grew. He now drove a rickshaw in the mornings and went out with his fruit van in the evenings. His income had doubled. His children ate well and went to school. Laughter returned to his home. One day, Rahim told Farid, "You taught me saving money is good, but making money grow is even better. Start small, but start. A big tree grows from a small seed." Farid replied, "Exactly. Savings are security. Investment is freedom. Both are needed, but life doesn't change by just saving." Today, Rahim has a small fruit shop. He employs two other boys. His children say, "Dad, you are our hero now." Rahim smiles. No, my children, the hero is he who understands. Money slips away if you just hold on to it, but if you put it to work, it grows with you.
So friends, don't just save, start investing, even if it's small. A tiny step can change your life. What are your thoughts? If you have a story of a small beginning, share it. Like this video and find the strength to move forward. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and your future self will thank you for taking it. Until next time, keep dreaming big and acting bigger. See you in the next one.